What's happening, everybody? My name is Becky Evans and this is SYNETIQ SOS. We're going to be travelling up and down the country, hearing your stories, checking out your cars and providing the parts to fix them sustainably. We're going to be busy. Let's get on the road. Okay, today on SYNETIQ SOS, we're going to meet a guy called Matt. Now, he has had this Mini Cooper in his family for over 16 years. Now, when he got in touch with us, he told us that the window regulator had gone, and it's been one of those problems that he's been looking to get fixed for absolutely ages. So, I've got a bunch of parts. We're going to head over to his house now, and the next time he rolls up to that drive-through, he's going to have no problem at all. Hi, Matt. Here we go. One parcel from SYNETIQ just for you.
Awesome, just the job.
So tell me about the car. I mean, obviously you got in touch with us and told us that there was a problem with the window regulator.
2002 Mini, I've had this since, crikey, I was probably in my early 20s. And then changed jobs, mum and having it, so it's been in our family for 16 odd years. And yeah, the problem being is that this window doesn't go down.
Not at all?
Not at all. So the nightmare when you're in any McDonald's or anything, just sat there trying to get this away. So yeah, no matter what happens, we've got absolutely nothing going on.
I feel like this is one of those cars though, it's been in your family so long, she deserves a little bit of TLC.
Oh, 100%. It would be nice, and just to avoid that embarrassment of when you sat outside trying to get a ticket out the car park, yeah, it'd be ace to get it done.
Let's get this show on the road. It shouldn't be a massive job. Let's see if we can get this done in the next half an hour. All parts SYNETIQ sell are covered by a minimum 3-month warranty. The length of warranty depends on the type of part you buy. If you get non-mechanical and non-electrical parts, it's 12 months. But if you get tyres or high voltage components or mechanical parts, it's 3 months.
This car I've had when I was probably in my early 20s. It was like when I got my first real proper job as like an estate agent at the time, and I thought I need a smarter car. I had like a fully modded 106 at the time, which definitely didn't feel appropriate for knocking up on someone's door. And then I had that for a few years and then changed jobs and ended up getting a company car. And my mum at the time was like, oh, I quite like your Mini. So she had that. And then she drove that then for, crikey, probably for the next 16 or so years, she had that. She fancied a change and brought, bizarrely, a John Cooper Works edition Mini Cooper, which is bizarre for a 70-old-year lady. And I said, oh, what are you doing with this? Because it seemed a shame. They're not actually worth that much money these days. And this is just bone stock original, just nice car. And I just thought, oh, it would be great to be able to still keep this. So I ended up buying it off my mum, and it's almost like a second car for me, because I've got a Land Rover Defender, which is my main car, but I don't like leaving it over in car parks or hotels overnight, so ended up just using this, and yeah, it's been nice. So the Defender, my pride and joy, my little car, take to shows and what have you, and one that devours all my money. You get a bit precious over your cars and you don't want to end up leaving them in places. So yeah, had that car for 4 or 5 years, and yeah, that's my little hobby. So bizarrely, actually, I'd found that I'd actually used SYNETIQ previously, but it was via their eBay store. So in the Land Rover, you get front and second row lights, but you don't get one in the back. And I wanted one to factory to match, and to get factory, they got them off the shelf and sent it me through. So yeah, actually kind of came across SYNETIQ by accident. Super simple. So yeah, just ordered off like you would, like almost like an Amazon delivery. You just put your reg in, gives you your details, it's checked by them, came through, nicely wrapped, all delivered, spot on. Just one of those jobs that I've spent so much time on the Defender, and I've promised, because my girlfriend uses this car as well, and I keep saying, yeah, I'll get it done, I'll get it done. And finally, thanks to you guys, yeah, we'll actually get that squared away today. It was an issue for my mum when she had it and kept saying, oh, it's a bit intermittent, Matt. And then it just stopped altogether. And so yeah, 3 years probably have just been on and off. It's horrendous, I know, it's so bad, especially for like a car guy like to not fix something, yeah. It's one of those, definitely, it's on the list, and then something else just gets in the way. Like I had to do the radiator on it a couple of weeks ago, so that was more priority rather than blowing a head gasket, so windows can wait. She definitely needs a tidy up still. There's still bits like the window wipers that still annoy me. There's scuffs and stuff over, the last 120,000 miles that it's done. Definitely needs a pair of back tyres. Scraped through on the last MOT. So yeah, just maintenance, I think, really, and keep on top of it, because she's a nice stock car. So yeah, it's going to be ace just to get this car fully back on the road, working properly as it should. Big shout out and thanks to SYNETIQ for getting this done for us.
Look at that. That's a lovely job.
Hey.
Are you delighted?
Becky, SYNETIQ.
Sorted it.
Thank you.
Well, no more trying to get to your drive-through and not being able to order a milkshake.
We're there. Job done.
Well, there we have it. Matt is a happy customer. No more trying to get his window down. We've managed to change that motor over using our mechanic, and he is absolutely flying now. Make sure you stay tuned for more episodes in the SYNETIQ SOS series, and make sure you check out SYNETIQ online. They have a whole host of parts out there on their eBay store, on their website. So if you have a job that needs doing like that, you need to get it sorted, SYNETIQ are the guys that are going to find that part for you. I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye.